If you're a fan of 60s muscle, it seems like everywhere you turn you see Mopar this or GM that. It's almost as if a large segment of the hobby has simply forgotten about all of the hot cars Ford produced during Detroit's golden era. That's why cars like this sweet 68 Mercury Cougar, a correct, rotisserie restored cruiser, deserves your attention if you're looking for a classic that stands out. Originally constructed for the Canadian market, this slick Cougar has been subjected to a detailed rotisserie restoration that ensured a correct and tidy appearance. A big part of the car's fantastic appeal includes glossy glacier blue two-stage, today detailed with classy badges and fashionable lights. This coupe rolls as a top-notch classic that turns the best attributes of Motor City history into glorious road trips and years of weekend adventures. Open the doors and you'll find a deluxe vinyl interior that, apart from fresh carpet, is 100% original to the car. Factory bench and bucket seats are restrained by optional shoulder belts. In front of those seats, a modernist dash hangs roulette-style gauges above a modern custom auto-sound head unit. A long console serves a polished shifter behind hidden autometer accessory gauges, and the driver turns a faux wood steering wheel around a tilt-away column. Befitting the Cougar's origins as Dearborn's luxury pony car, this classy coupe draws motivation from 390 cubic inches of Ford FE V8. Behind that power plant, a cooled C6 3-speed drives a rebuilt Ford axle. When it comes to maximizing the amount of metal your money can buy, you simply cannot go wrong with a timeless pony car. Thanks to its thorough restoration, this awesome Mercury is a great driving piece that's fun, historic, and reliable. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.